How to add products to pages on Shopify. Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys in a super quick and easy tutorial. So if this video helped you out, please let me know in the comments and let's get started right away. So what I'm going to do is here I have a product, and what I want to do is add this to different pages or a different page. Now, what really determines on what page your product will be shown is pretty much the collection. So here I have added it to the homepage collection. Now, if I am going to view my store, we can now see that it's here on the homepage. As you can see, this is the homepage, and we can see that this product is over here. Now, let's say I don't want it on this page, but I want it on a different page, then that's what we're going to do right now. So, like I said, in order to determine on what page your product is shown is by the collections. So, I'm going to create a new one by clicking here on collections under the product section. And here I'm going to click on create collection. I'm going to call this t-shirts. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to leave the description and image empty. You can do that if you would like to, but I'm just going to leave it like that. And I'm going to go back to my t-shirt over here. And I'm going to go to collections. I'm going to add it to t-shirts. And in this case, I'm going to remove it from the home page. So click on save. Then I'm going to view my online store. Hopefully it's already updated. It has not yet been updated. And there we go. We can now see that it has been updated and it is now not shown on the homepage anymore. This is just the default example products that are shown. So that's great. That's a good sign. Now I'm going to click on online store. I'm going to create a new page by clicking on pages over here. Now here I'm going to click on add page. And here I'm going to once again, just for the sake of this tutorial, call it t-shirts and then click on save. If you need Shopify, but you're not sure yet, or you're already enjoying Shopify, or you know somebody that needs Shopify, what you can do is bring your ideas to life for €1 per month. So what you can do is go to the link in the description or the pinned comment under this YouTube video and sign up for a free trial and enjoy your first month for €1. So grab the deal now before it is gone, and yeah, good luck with your store. And there we go. We have now created a new page. What I'm going to do though is go to navigation. I'm going to add this to the main menu at the top. So now we can add it over here by clicking on add menu item. And I'm going to go to pages over here, t-shirts, click on add. And now we have added that t-shirt, click on save, or now we have added the t-shirts page. I'm going to go to online store and then to customize. Now we're going to actually add the collection to our new page. So as you can see, this is the homepage collection where it isn't shown anymore. And here at the top, we have just added the t-shirts page. So I'm going to click on there, and actually it was already added, which is actually pretty funny. I don't know why it automatically did that, but I'm going to just remove this for now, just to show you guys how you would actually add this. So here we are now on the page, and here we can see template. Here we can click on add section, and we want to add a featured collection. I'm going to click on there, and this will add the example products, as you can see. Now, what we need to do is, now on the right, we can see over here collection. Here you can see select collection, and that's where we want to select it. So I only have 2 collections, so I'm going to click on the t-shirt one, click on select, and then click on save. And now we have added the products to a different page. So we can just rename this again if we would like to, instead of featured collections. We can just do it like that, then click on save. I'm going to view this store. As you can see here, it is gone. If I click on t-shirts over here, we can see it just like that. So yeah, that is how to add products to pages on Shopify.